setting spray it. I don't know if I missed or not, but yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Whether you've been here before or this is your first time, I'm happy that you are here. So as you saw in the title, I'm hoping this will be a first episode in a little series that I'm gonna start on just different makeup looks inspired by emojis, because you know, emojis are great and they're fun to use and some of them are super cute. So today I wanted to try to incorporate the pink cherry blossom emoji, the apple one, because obviously those other ones don't look very good, but the apple one, there you go. And it's super cute and it's pink and it's gonna match my outfit because I'm wearing a pink skirt and a shirt that's got pink flowers on it anyways. So it's just gonna, you know, pull the whole look together and probably be like maybe a little bit too much pink, but that's okay. I'm going to do the eye makeup first because I always mess up my face if I do my face first. Good thing I thought of that. Okay, eyeshadow first, and we're gonna eyeshadow first. We're going to start with the base. So use my MAC Laying Low Pro Longwear Paint Pot to prime my eyelids. I'm going to be using the Ace Beauty makeup palette and taking Clove. It's a Grandiose palette. Ace Beauty Grandiose, using Clove in my crease area. I'm going to take the ColourPop Cute AF and this dark color to deepen up the crease. The Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm going to take Just Peachy and put it on the inner corner area. Okay, and spray my brush. Then I'm going to take my Chasing Rainbows by ColourPop and grab Manifest It and put that along my lash line. Okay, so I've got the pink for the petals and different shades of pink as you see in the emoji. We've got really dark pink in the middle, kind of lightens out, and there are even lighter pieces and just different shades and stuff. And then I'm going to take from the Chasing Rainbows this gold color, the bright gold, as an inner corner highlight and also to represent the little middle of the flower that's all yellow. I think I might also take that dark pink color and put it underneath too, just to add, you know, just some more pink in there. Okay, I'm going to quickly do the rest of my face and then we will move on from there. we're gonna take Kylie lip gloss in Posy K. I made a little flower on my hand, and I think it would be cute to put it on my face. There we go. Maybe not quite as cute as this one, but pretty cute. Okay guys, so there goes my pink flower emoji inspired makeup look. Let me know what you think. I hope you guys like it. If there are any other emojis that are like your favorite and you want to see how I interpret that through makeup, let me know in the comments below. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe so you can watch more videos. I also do, clothing videos and vlogs, and we got some silliness that goes on in the vlogs, so those are pretty fun to watch too. So let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see in my videos in the comment section. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.